Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install mods on Marvel Arrival. So basically this is the easiest. You just have to simply install or open your Epic Games and then make sure that you have added rivals to your library or you have already installed this one. Now you have to go to your library and tap this three dots and then click manage. Tap this one right here. After you tap manage, and then what you're going to do is you have to click this folder before uninstall. So click installation and then go to folder or this folder icon right here. Tap this one. Now it will take you directly to this folder. Here you have to locate this Marvel game folder. Tap this one. And then next is you have to click Marvel again. Once you tap this one, you will see three folders here. So what you're going to do is you have to click this content, tap this one. Then you should see a PKS or PAKS folder. These are the contents or the files inside. These are mods. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to your file or folder with your mods. And what you're going to do next is you have to simply copy and paste it right here. So let's just say you have installed all your mods file right here. Or let's just say this folder, something like that. What you're going to do is you have to open or click this and then copy that file and go back to PAKS folder. Let's just say this one right here. You have to copy, as you can see, this one PAK file. So you have to copy this one or cut this one and then go back to Marvel's PAK folder and then paste it. Basically, this should be the result. Okay, so once you go back to your Epic game and launch your Marvel Rivals, you should see these mods. And basically, that's how easy it is to install mods on Marvel Rivals. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.